Hey, it's your friend Dave, and this is your leadership tip of the day for October 3rd, 2024. Implement a commitment tracker where team members publicly log their commitments. This fosters a culture of accountability. So, this is a great tool for boosting responsibility and follow through in your team. It's a commitment tracker. It's a simple but effective system that helps your team understand the responsibilities and commitments of your team, and it creates a culture of accountability. This is used in software development, agile programming, and things like that a lot, where they have stand-ups every morning, and every morning they each team member takes on a task, and they describe the progress that they've made on that task. And it may take the same task for a week or 10 days or whatever. But everybody knows what everybody else is doing and how far they've gotten in that process. And if they need help, if one team member finishes ahead of time, their task ahead of time, they can potentially help another person who may need that help. So here's how to implement that. Set up a shared document or board, a whiteboard. It could be a digital board. It could be a Teams note, not a Teams notebook, but a OneNote. It could be an Evernote. It could be anything like that. Something that's accessible for all the team members. A spreadsheet for it even. And that'll be your commitment tracker. It should have columns for the team member's name, the commitment made, the deadline, and then the status. Encourage your team members to log their commitments as they make them. These could be promises made in meetings, project milestones, or personal development goals. The key is to make them specific and time bound. That's one of the reasons people use Agile a lot, because they work in 2-week sprints, for instance, or 1-month sprints. That varies by company. It varies by task, but work in if you do it in a sprint kind of mindset, where we're going to work on this for 2 weeks, and then if it's not done, we'll work on it for 2 more weeks. Those kinds of things. The key is to make it specific and time bound. And then review the tracker as a team, maybe in a weekly meeting, maybe in a twice a week meeting, maybe in a morning meeting every morning. And so this is a time to celebrate completed commitments and to offer support for those that are still being worked on, and then to address any that are falling behind. And so your challenge, one of the things I want you to think about considering this week or next week, is to introduce that commitment tracker to your team. Explain its purpose and how to use it, and then lead by example. Be the first to log your commitments for the week, and encourage your team to do the same. Now, this is not trying to call out anybody. It is not trying to create stress. It's about creating transparency. It's about letting everybody know what they're working on, what the team is working on. It's about fostering mutual support and building a culture where following through on promises is the norm. And it helps team members manage their workload as they see all the commitments in one place. It also allows your team to support each other, as everyone can see who might need help meeting their deadlines. By implementing this tool, you're not just tracking tasks, you're building trust, reliability, and a shared sense of purpose within your team. You think about that. Have a great day.